the next step, I'm going to use a roller. I'm actually choosing a little bitty roller. I have full-size rollers, however I find that this is easier for me to control. You know, when we're doing like a lot of overhand work, because I don't do it all the time, I don't have the arm strength that, say, my husband would have. So I'm going with this little guy. It's made by a company called, I think it's like the Wizz system. Got it from Lowe's Home Improvement. You can find it there. We have a little smaller size roller pan, and I find that it works really well for me. First coat's done, and you can get a much better sense of what the color is going to look like now versus the last video. While it's drying, it's going to be splotchy. This particular paint, when it goes on, it's a little bit lighter and a little bit warmer, and it dries darker and cooler. So we're going to wait, let it dry, and then we're going to put on another coat.